In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group tasks by status. This is a really simple but powerful way to organize your work so you can quickly see what's in progress, what's completed, and what still needs attention. Grouping by status helps you manage your time better and stay focused on the right things. First, make sure you're on your main task or project view where you can see your list of tasks. This might be a board, a table, or a list layout depending on the tool you're using. Take a moment to confirm that you can see the tasks you want to organize, because the grouping option will affect whatever is currently visible on your screen. Now, look for the group control. This is usually located at the top of your task list or board, often near filters, sort options, or view settings. It might appear as a button labeled Group, a small drop-down menu, or an icon that opens more display options. Once you've found it, click on Group. When you click on Group, a menu or panel will appear, showing different ways you can organize your tasks. You might see options like grouping by assignee, due date, VAR, project, priority, or other fields. From this list, you want to choose the option labeled Status. Go ahead and click on Status. As soon as you do, your tasks will automatically rearrange themselves based on their current status. For example, you might see sections like To Do, In Progress, and Done, or whatever status labels your workspace uses. Take a moment to scroll through and review the new layout. You should now see your tasks neatly grouped under each status category. This makes it much easier to understand where everything stands at a glance. If you notice any tasks under the wrong status, you can usually drag and drop them into the correct group, or open the task and change its status directly. From here, you can quickly focus on the tasks that are still open or in progress, and you can also appreciate what's already completed. You can always change the grouping again by going back to the group option and selecting a different field, or turning off grouping altogether if you want a simple list view. And that's all there is to it. By clicking on Group and then selecting Status, you've transformed